Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update PUBG Mobile on Android. The process is very straightforward and simple. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is open up the Google Play Store. Then in the top search bar right over there, you just want to type PUBG and then hit search. It's going to show PUBG Mobile. And now for me, it says uninstall and play. But if there is an update available for PUBG Mobile, instead of saying play there, it's going to say update. All you would need to do is tap on the update button. It'll begin downloading the update. And then once the download is finished, it'll install the update for you automatically. Now, I do recommend that you install this update over a Wi-Fi connection because I believe it is just under 1 gigabyte size. So you don't want to be wasting all your data downloading the update on your mobile data. And then when the update is finished, you can go ahead and play the game with the latest version. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Very straightforward and simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.